we're back at it again at Gauntlet AI with our OttoCRM grader. Last time I showed you guys some of the workspace management and some of the like stubbed UI, and now we actually have some fully fleshed out test data. So all this data is like live in production. We just like generated a bunch of test tickets into the production database so that you could see all the features. So starting from the top, on the main dashboard page, we both have like an overview of the tickets as well as the knowledge base, which are the two major functionalities of the application. Obviously, you can click into tickets to see the whole list, and you see that we actually have a bunch coming in that have unique statuses that you can edit, as well as prioritization. You're also able to filter and sort on all of these, so you can do something like just filter for open tickets and then sort by priority so that you can get to the high priority open tickets as an agent. And you can check out individual tickets where you can edit them and see additional details, as well as go to chat, which does have real-time chat with the user engaged with this ticket. There's also the knowledge base, which is where you can publish articles or upload documents being PDFs and articles being something that you actually edit yourself. So here we have some examples of a rich text editor. So you can actually go in and clean this up with like formatting and then publish and save, and that'll show up in the publicly available knowledge base for users. We also have a metrics page, which have some like basic summary statistics about the distribution of like where your tickets are at, as well as metrics based on like articles, total articles, how many are published, how many are draft, and recents. You can also see all of your other team members, see who's online, so that if you need them to cover something, you can go message them. As well as updating your profile, which can happen either here or in this little sidebar. You can set whether you're available to take messages or not. It also has still the workspace functionality, so you can join other workspaces, and there's like a list with a changer here. The other interesting thing is that we have a customer portal. This link actually takes you to this support section, which is essentially an entire other section of the website that's all publicly available. So this is the link that you would send to customers if they want to browse your knowledge base or start a chat. Starting a chat also creates a support ticket by default, just like filling out this form. And then once you do that, you're actually able to go into the other side of that chat UI that we saw earlier. How this is set up is it's in a Remix application. So we kind of achieve quote unquote multifunction front end functionality because Remix just like is multi-page app by default. So everything under this workspace set of URLs is the admin stuff where people have to be logged in, and then there's this set of support URLs that are publicly available with like very little bundle overlap. They do share some of the backend logic for querying stuff. And then what's not shown here is there is also API.workspace, which is different from workspace. And API.workspace is actually the admin API. So if you have an admin key, basically an API key, you can actually programmatically hit all of our stuff, which will be useful for when AI agents want to automate some of this stuff next week. So yeah, that's an overview of the application as it stands today. Thank you all for checking in.